In this problem, we are given an elevator with a mass of 4,500 kilograms and it can carry a maximum load of 1,800 kilograms. We're told that the cab is moving upward at full load at a speed of 3.8 meters per second. And we want to find the power required of the force moving the cab to maintain that speed. So, of course, the force moving the cab, this is the tension exerted probably on the cables that are lifting this cab. So if we make a diagram, this is the applied force we're looking for. This is the force moving the cab. And in addition to this force, we have the weight force, which is downwards. Now, we want to find the power. Let's remember that the power is equal to the force times the speed. So we're given the speed and what we want is the force, and then we can find the power. To find this force, let's remember that since the speed is constant, then the net force is going to be equal to 0. And so F minus the weight is equal to 0, taking the upward direction to be the positive direction. And then the force is going to be equal to the weight exerted on this elevator. Let's say now if we want to find the weight force, we know that the weight is equal to m times g. Now the mass here is the mass of the elevator and whatever is inside it. We're told that the cab is moving at full load, so this means that it contains a mass of 1,800 kilograms in addition to the mass of the cabin, which is 4,500 kilograms. So now we can calculate the weight and we can find the power simply by multiplying the force, which is of the same magnitude as the weight. We multiply it by the speed to get the power. And this will give us 234.6 times 10 power 3 watts. Remember that this formula for the power comes from the general formula, which says that the power is equal to energy over time, and here the energy is going to be equal to the work done. So in the case of forces, we substitute the energy by the work done, and the time is here. We know that the work done is equal to F times distance, and so instead of d over t, we can put the speed. And then we get the formula for the power, which is F times v.